Odisha reeled under blistering heat with mercury breaching 40 degrees Celsius or more at many places in the state at 2:30 p.m. on Thursday. Elections to 28 assembly seats under the Kalahandi, Nabarangpur, Koraput and Berhampur parliamentary areas will be held on 13th May, State Election Officer Nikunj Bihari Dhal said addressing the media on Thursday. Former Kendrapara MLA and BJD leader Sipra Malik on Thursday joined the Congress in the presence of senior leader and former PCC President Prasad Harichandan and senior leader Panchanan Kanungo at Congress Bhavan in Bhubaneswar. Bollywood actor Varsha Priyadashini on Thursday joined the Biju Janata Dal (BJD) at a program organized at the Sankha Bhavan. Several places in the state continue to grapple with intense heat wave as 4 stations touched 40 degrees Celsius and above temperature by 11:30 a.m. on Thursday. The All India Congress Committee, AICC, on Thursday announced the names of party nominees for 4 assembly seats in Odisha. The All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, Bhubaneswar has added another feather to its cap by launching a cutting-edge service for the placement of artificial urinary sphincters, AUS, a significant advancement in urological care. 5T and Nabeen Odisha Chairman VK Pandian on Thursday urged the electorate in Odisha to send in their suggestions they wish to be incorporated in the poll manifesto of the Biju Janata Dal, BJD, to the party. Oriya playwright, theatre artist and cine actor Sachi Das on Thursday passed away following a prolonged illness. He was 73. As many as 34 forest fire incidents were reported on Wednesday as the country witnessed 165 such wild blaze, according to Forest Survey of Ind reports. An Oriya scientist among others played a significant role in shaping the idea of Surya Tilak, ceremony of Ram Lala in Ayodhya Ram Temple. Oriya actress Naina Tiwari will make a film on Nagada which is in the limelight for malnutrition. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, alleged in a Delhi court on Thursday that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is deliberately eating mangoes and other high-carb food in Tihar jail to raise his blood sugar level to build a case for bail. West Bengal Governor CV Ananda Bose on Thursday announced the cancellation of his trip to Cooch Behar, which is going for the polls in the first phase on Friday, saying that he does not want the dignity of his office to be maligned. People's Democratic Party, PDP, President and former J&K Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti on Thursday filed her nomination papers for the Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha constituency. As voting takes place for 12 Lok Sabha seats in Rajasthan on Friday in the first phase of the polls, all eyes are focused on seats like Churu, Dausa, Alwar, Nagaur, Sikar and Bharatpur where the contest is expected to be tough with strong candidates from both the BJP and the Congress in the fray. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, on Thursday said in a Delhi court that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was deliberately eating mangoes and other high-carb food to raise his blood sugar level to build a case for bail. Days after the arrest of 2 shooters, who allegedly opened fire at Bollywood actor Salman Khan's home, the sleuths of Delhi Police's Special Cell and the crime branch tracking the gang activities have revealed the new modus operandi of infamous Lawrence Bishnoi syndicate. Union Minister Rajnath Singh, while campaigning for BJP in Kerala's Kottayam district on Thursday, took a dig at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and said that Rahulya is neither getting launched nor finding a suitable landing. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, on Thursday, blamed the Election Commission, EC, for the stray incidents of clashes during Ram Navami processions at Murshidabad on Wednesday evening in which some persons were reportedly injured. A Delhi court on Thursday extended AAP leader and former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's judicial custody till 26 April in connection with a money laundering case related to the alleged excise policy scam. Teja Sajja will be next seen in the upcoming multilingual film, Mirai, based on the fictional story of King Ashoka and his Secret Nine. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has attached immovable and movable properties worth 97.79 crore rupees belonging to Ripu Sudan Kundra aka Raj Kundra, businessman, and husband of Bollywood actor Shilpa Shetty, under the provisions of Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, 2002. Shooting of the upcoming Spy Universe film, War 2, is in full swing. And a picture of Bollywood superstar Hrithik Roshan from the shoot is going viral on social media. The makers of the horror comedy streaming series, Wednesday, have cast actor Steve Buscemi for the show's second season. Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone, who was last seen in the action film, Fighter, has a new hobby. While the actress awaits the arrival of her baby with her husband Ranveer Singh, she is enjoying the process of embroidery. India captain Rohit Sharma said he is not a big fan of the Impact player ruling in the Indian Premier League, IPL, saying that it is holding back the development of all-rounders in Indian cricket ecosystem. Chennai Super Kings, CSK, batter Devon Conway has been ruled out of IPL 2024 due to an injury, the franchise confirmed on Thursday. West Indies cricket legend Brian Lara, while sharing his view on what makes Rohit Sharma a special player, said the 36-year-old is a leader whether name him captain or not. Punjab Kings, PPKS, will host Mumbai Indians, MI, in match 33 of the IPL 2024 on Thursday.